Lesson 2.
Has. She has a doll.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
In.
Lovebird in the cage.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
Is my mother is carrying.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
Like.
Kids like ice cream.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
My.
I found my lost key.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
May.
You may eat.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
Not.
I am not sick.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
Now.
I am at school now.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow.
On.
The cat is on the table.
Your turn to read, kid.
Wow. Very good, children. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for new videos in our channel. Thank you.
Oh, you know.